In this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to manage seasonal challenges with aromatherapy. Hi, my name is Kathy Evans, and I am an oil enthusiast and a coach. So I use essential oil inhalers. They are easy to carry in my pocket or in my car, and it gives super relief for my stuffiness. And I will show you what oils I use and how to fill the inhaler. So DM me for where I buy the inhalers. There are fancier ones, but I buy less expensive just in case I lose it or it ends up in the wash. So there are actually 4 parts to the inhaler. You've got the cover, you have the inhaler itself, the cotton wick, and the base. So for seasonal challenges, I use these 4 oils, and each oil has a different role in supporting seasonal challenges. So the inhalers can actually be filled for emotional wellness also. And I use this for positive emotions or calming emotions, and then use it for physical wellness, such as soothing digestion. All right, so subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about essential oils and their physical and emotional benefits. So to fill the inhaler, I first hold it vertically like this, and I use peppermint. I do 2 drops in the top of the wick and 2 drops in the bottom of the wick. The next oil I use is tea tree, and with this one I use 1 drop on the top and 1 drop on the bottom of the wick, and I do the same thing with the next 2 oils. All right, when I'm finished, I will take the wick, and I will put it in the inhaler, and then I will snap the bottom on, and then I will take the cover and I will screw it on, and then I will let the vapors fill up, and then when I'm ready to use it, I will open it up and inhale, and oh my goodness, this opens the airways for relief. And this aroma can last up to 3 months. So some of my favorite oil combinations can create positive energy, like bergamot and lavender, and they are very calming. Or you can use balance and wild orange. Those are for soothing anxious feelings and grounding. And you may add more drops of one and less of another depending on your preference. So check out the link below and get my top 10 essential oils ebook for emotional and physical benefits. Thank you for joining me.